Hey, greetings everybody. Matthew here in Roebelenii, aka Pygmy Date Palm Forest here at Earthworks. These are some of our most popular palm trees, and for good reason. They are one of the few palm trees that we can grow here that stays relatively small. And when I say relatively small, they max out very slowly to about 10 or 12 feet, which for a palm tree is pretty small. They will be in single trunk forms, double trunks, and triple trunks. We carry them all year round. They can live here in Northeast Florida very reliably. With that said, they do have some frost sensitivity. These are not as cold hardy as their cousins, the Sylvesters, which can go down to about 15 degrees. These can go down into the low 20s. They have survived some of our worst winters. There are Robelinis that have been growing here for 20 plus years. I've been growing them and seeing them all around town. They can take a little bit of a burn in the winter, but they can come back very reliably. If you would like a Roebelenii, come check out our selection. We not only have these large field-grown Robelinis, but we also have them in containers, 3 gallons, 7 gallons, 15 gallons, and in 30-gallon price points and in multiple different trunk varieties. Come check them out. They are a fantastic palm for almost any situation.